right here is E.C.Fabz. Hey E.C.Fabz. So we're gonna be doing what are we doing today?
This is a hydro mount.
We're gonna do hydro mod for my car.
Yeah, this is the mount for it. We're gonna go either way. We can weld it or we can bolt it on. I have already pre-drilled holes. I'm gonna pre-drill some holes over here and then holes for the hydro mount. Pretty much all made, and just gotta mount it. That's pretty much it. Then run lines and whatnot.
Then we're gonna do a few stuff to his car too. We're gonna do some knuckle, E46 knuckle mods.
E46 control arms, and then I'm gonna mod some extra E46 knuckles for the angle and subframe bushings.
Woo. Let's get her done. Alright, so we got started with the hydro. So right here, he's just getting the carpet out of the way. I don't think I've ever showed you this car, but this is my brother's Trans Am. Just turned it on so I could. Pretty much almost stock. Nothing's been touched. Still has the cat. Still got everything. Man, so this thing's been sitting on here for such a long time. You can see all the spider webs collecting. Man, I really love this car though. This thing was a beast. Let's hear a little bit of that rev. Woo. So here's a little update. What has happened so far, Eli?
Well, we're still tailoring the interiors to sort of fit it. This is like the base of it. We're gonna drop in. It's not gonna be this high. We're still trimming and tailoring, like I said. This is gonna go further out once I trim all this, and then we'll be able to put the Windows controller. We have to trim some of it, but we're keeping the interiors and we kind of keep it nice and tailored.
Yes, E.C.Fabz for the win. Alright, so we believe we got the whole mounting point of the hydro done. So he's just finishing it up, getting it welded. Looking good so far.
Alright.
It's pretty much done. As you can see right here, what's gonna go on there, Gila?
Is the hydro.
The hydro. Hydro's gonna go right there.
Just like that.
Yes. And then this is where it's gonna touch by the shifter, right?
Yeah, this is by the shifter, and the rest that goes down goes to the transmission tunnel. All welded.
We about to be a real drift car now. Somewhat. Alright, so now we are putting everything together now. E.C.Fabz here. Getting it welded into the transmission tunnel?
Yeah.
This is Earth Radio. Now here's human music.
Use that, right?
Alright, so it's all welded in there. And then Eli had the best idea ever. to use an actual breaker bar and then use that as the e-brake handle. So it's gonna be just like that, and we're just gonna weld it down there. So yeah, it's gonna be legit. It's gonna be so dope.
Yep.
Ski.
All right.
Not sure if you can see that. So we got the bottom welded on. You got the top here as well. Got the nice wheel wood. We're getting the little handle done right now. We got it over here.
Is it key or key?
It is key. So another update. So we did go ahead and put the little hydro lever, right?
Yeah, the handle.
Yeah, so the hydro handle, we did as a breaker bar. So you can see, got the little end right there. So we got all the way up there, and then now we're just finishing it up with the lines.
Fittings, line, flaring, a lot of fun.
Everything. Yes, it's gonna be so dope. All right, next day. Did take a lot longer than we expected, but it's finally done. As you can see here, we got the little breaker bar as a lever, the wheel wood. It's all working perfectly. Thanks to the boy Eli, E.C.Fabz. Hit him up for any welding stuff. He's got you.
Yeah.
Legit though. We're gonna. All right, guys, I'm back from work. So we got the boy Eli working on some stuff. He's working on his modded knuckles right now. So yeah, I'm not sure if I've showed you my final product yet. So the cylinder I have is the 5/8, I believe. I don't want to be wrong, but it's hardline, so it doesn't have the
Stainless steel braided line?
Yes, the stainless steel braided line. So he put this on. Like always, he's coming in for the save. But yeah, so he's doing his knuckles right now. If you haven't seen his car, it gets dumb angle. Like honestly, that thing is like it's something to see. Definitely go check out his Instagram page. He does a lot of custom fab. If you need anything and you're around the Bay Area, definitely hit him up. But yeah, let's go finish his custom fabrications he got going over there. Looks like he's done.
Pretty much. You gotta cover the other side.
How much more angle do you think?
How much more angle? It's the same as what I have, but I don't know exactly how much angle I have though. I know it's over 70.
Woo.
It's probably like let's say the most 72 right now with these arms. But once I start fabricating, extend the control arms, and I will get like the whole angle. Because right now it bumps on the sway bar link with the caliper it touches, but that's about it. Still is hella fucking angle.
Who's E.C.Fabz?
Whose wife?
Who's E.C.Fabz? Never heard of him. We got one E46, and we got another one E46. Damn. Look at that hydro just sticking out right there. Focus. Look at that. You can see Eli's hydro kind of too, right there. That little black little shaft right there. We take you. I know this looks exactly just like my car, but Eli also redid his bushings. You can see right there. There's the diff carrier, subframe. You got the two diff ones right there. Those two. You can see the other one. The other subframe bushing there. Yep, so that's... Damn. Must be nice to have MagnaFlow. Must be nice.